ASCO, our main goal is really just to keep energy moving. We've been in business for around 50 years, so we've got quite a lot of experience of doing it. We run over 6 continents, 60 different locations, and really we're just about kind of improving supply chain efficiency, mitigating risk for our clients, and I guess most importantly, reducing that cost for our clients. A big part of what we do is about sustainability, so working with our clients to be innovative and reducing that carbon footprint wherever we can, so we're quite committed to that.
We've been a supplier into ASCO in Peterhead and throughout the UK since 2012. The relationship has worked out well from both sides. Briggs offer technical support and advice to ASCO. We offer equipment, whether it's reach trucks, heavy forklift trucks, light fork trucks. A lot of them work in fairly arduous applications on the quayside. The new fleet comprises of 18 trucks, all 12-tonne capacity, some at 600, some at 1200 load centres. ASCO went with them and over long discussions started off looking at electric trucks, diesel trucks, and finally settled on the diesel truck utilising HVO as a fuel source.
The main factor for choosing HVO, aside from the fact that it's reduced our emissions, is how easy it was to do. So essentially it's a drop-in fuel, we can put it into our diesel engines and they can be running from day one. In terms of the infrastructure development, we didn't need to do much. We've got fuel tanks on site so we can store it and dispense it from the same site. And in terms of what that's done to our emissions, we've managed to reduce our emissions in the UK by nearly 50%. So it's a massive chunk out of what we wanted to achieve.
I know ASCO have particularly looked at electrification, and that's not always possible. Infrastructure plays a big part, and if that's not possible, then something like for HVO is a great alternative. I think the social and governance in any ESG strategies is equally important, and it's great to see some of the strides that have been made in this particular project.
Our ambition as a business is to grow. So in growing, we're going to need to turn over more assets, bring more things into the business. It may not be the same sort of material handling that we have today, but as the operation grows, we certainly would look to Briggs to help us support us on that journey.